Okay, we're out for 4:43 a.m., something like that. And we are going through the little maze in Kovalam to the taxi. And it's been confirmed, this is the same taxi driver we've been using. And he's very reliable. All right, off to Oman.
Okay, we made it to the Trivandrum Airport. Our flight to Oman is in a couple hours. Well, I went for coffee. They wanted 550 rupees, that's like $7. But they had soy milk for 80 rupees. And Olga's got brew coffee. And here we are. I had 3 packets of sugar in my vest. And we will have a coffee for 80 rupees. Hey? Okay? Alright, good news today. Okay, here we go again.
Here we go again.
South India to Oman. I'm a little tired this morning. Olga didn't have breakfast. We wanted 500 rupees for a coffee. I said no. But I got a cup of soy milk for 80 rupees.
And I am armed with little sachets of brew coffee.
So at least Olga had a candy amla, a granola bar, and a coffee. So we'll call that okay, and we'll head to the next country. We only spent 2.5 weeks this last trip back in India, Mumbai and Kovalam in the south, but it was so relaxed. We loved our hotel. Olga had her dental work wrap up. That had been sort of a year in the making. I was a little surprised that we're leaving India. And of course, as we approach Oman, the thoughts of the new country, new experience, cultures will kick in. But for now, I'm just fondly remembering. I guess I'm saying thank you, India. Okay, there's the tower. We're on the ground. Took about 10 minutes to get through customs. Very beautiful airport.
You're from where, sir?
We're from America.
Hawaii.
Let's see. Oh, nice.
Yeah. We came from India.
You work going, huh?
No work, no.
No.
Retired.
You back in the cycle?
Papa.
Just traveling.
No, you have cycle here?
No.
You come in the India from cycle?
No.
All Europe people could be
Yeah, but we're not Europe people. Well, I am, but
No.
no.
You also people, you give me the cycle.
Yeah, I like bicycle.
A bicycle.
Uh-huh.
You come and visit all country? Bicycle.
Very good.
Ah.
Yeah, in the heat. Huh?
Yeah. Many people.
I let the young people do that.
No problem.
I
Also
drink
you-
I drink coffee.
Yeah, no problem. I would love some coffee. Oh my God. Yeah. Very nice. Beautiful palm trees.
Get a peek out that side.
Yeah.
Also, you went photo with you. I come in with you.
Okay.
Huh?
I have one. I took one with you in the car. Very nice.
You look also Oman taxi.
Uh-huh.
You photo. Here you go in Grand Mosque. Grand Mosque.
I don't know. We
Grand
don't-
Mosque. Big mosque.
Yes, I understand, but I don't know if we're going there.
I know.
Oh, you mean you're saying now?
The way now.
Okay, I understand what you're saying. We're coming by it.
You can't
Thank
tell
you.
me where.
Yeah, Grand Mosque coming up. Yeah. Very good. Very nice.
You can bring it.
Government offices, and he said the embassies are on the backside. Everything ultra modern, clean. Our hotel is 25 kilometers from the airport. It's a metered taxi. It's very easy to navigate the exit, find a taxi.
Maybe we're getting near. See anyone walking?
I think Gabriel commented that too.
Oh yeah.
People come out in the evening.
Yes. Now we're a little bit familiar with that when it's hot.
This hotel, opera house here.
Oh. What, Daniel? There's the beach. Looks like a little shallow, flat, lots of waves. There's a little island up front. Wow, it's really beautiful. Very different.
Well, we're in the neighborhood now.
The hotel here. You go and walk.
Yes, I will. I will walk, I will run, maybe swim.
Looks like park and waterway over on this side.
This hotel.
Okay,
Qurum.
let's do it.
We're on the third floor. Everything's very dramatic. Don't know who he is. Maybe one of the sultans. Haven't quite had this kind of view before. It's its own unique thing, I think. Well, we're certainly not used to seeing this with almost floor-to-ceiling mirrors and a giant painting. Beautiful arched windows, AC and fans. It's got a fridge, cabinets, nice big bed, full bath, a view out the back, a little bit of a view. I got a limestone cliff, I think. Yeah, we'll take a hike up there tomorrow. Anyway, night. Oh, and Olga got a hot water kettle. So next stop, the market, get some vittles.